Hey, what's up guys? Oliver here. Today we're back with another video. And today we got FaceCam. I'm surprised as you are. So I don't know if this will work or not, but we're gonna start a Minecraft thing. I don't know which one will be better for you guys. Oh yeah, see, I can like move it. So right here we have Minecraft. Let's load up. I know I'm not playing a 1.14 because I don't really want to. But we're just gonna play in 1.12 because that's like my favorite. Alright. It says preparing. And we might never do Fortnite because it's just let's just do. Oh, it says hiding. What does that do? Oh, is it recording? Oh no, did I break it? What does this do? Ah, that looks bad. Eee! Let's just keep like this. You can see me? I think you can see me. Oh god, it's like a small screen. Oh, here's Minecraft. Alright, we got this. Oh, do you guys see that? Oh, you guys can't really see me, can you? Wish I had a green screen. I think my hair might work. Hey, Georgia, I need your opinion! How's it look? Like, if I look in this direction, oh yeah, never mind, goodbye. Okay, guys, so right now we are going to create a hardcore mode world. So let's do, Galaxy World. Yeah, that's how you spell it. Hardcore, and that's all we're going to do. We're just going to put in those numbers. Let's get into it, guys. I'm going to go. I'm going to die so quick. Sorry, I keep looking at the face cam. First time I've ever done it, and I think you can hear me on this one. So yeah, this is my voice. If you haven't heard it while I'm playing a game, this is my voice. And there's the camera. Hi, camera. Hi. Oh, it's a laggy. Sorry. Ah. 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 Maybe I should. Oh, lag. Oh god, it's because it's recording. I don't know. Oh my god. Lag. Oh no. Oh, so much lag. Oh no, hold on. Video settings. Let's do that at that much FPS. That 2 chunks and 10 FPS. Map. I need to turn everything down, like far. Oh god. Did I make it worse? Did I make it worse? Whoa. So many people. Okay, guys. Whoa. There's the fan on. I think we might have to leave Minecraft. Okay. I've cleared it up, but I can't see anything. It looks like a fog. You might need to turn up the there, and yes. Whoa, I'm so bright. So you see the screen. I think we're gonna Minecraft. Just leave this. Let's play some Roblox, I guess. There it is. This is my background. I like it. I don't know what to say if you don't. because I often say if you don't, it's too bad. You guys will be able to see me in a second. Don't worry. When I upload this, I'm so excited to watch myself play. And I hope you guys just at least sit through at least 5 minutes of the video. That'd really make my day. Alright, so here we have, let's do Banning Simulator. I'm kind of hooked to this game right now. Oh, free black wings. That's a lie! Scam! I'm hoping none of my friends are subscribed, actually. I'll be right back. My grandfather is making Comic-Con. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Whew. What a miss. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let me show you. Give me some. Like and subscribe. I might send you a package of just delicious popcorn. Every time I see something like that, I'm like, Marco. Might not know from what show or what name, but Marco. I wonder if you can see, because I was like this before. I don't know if you can see my... Yeah, because right now, like, I think you can see me, but... Ooh, we're in, okay. Oh, no lag. I really like the screen recorder, guys. Like, it's pretty nice. It doesn't lag on games, but you guys will still hear the audio. Oh, gravity falls. And the next time I use cam, I might get a green screen. Or something green, you know. Oh, okay. That's fine. Like, completely not really affected by that. Like, my pets have no faces. Oh, let me try to fix this. Oh, no, guys, no one listening. Turn your volume off right now. Please. Oh, I'm in a tree. Okay. Oh, you guys can't see me. Oh, no. Hold on, let me try something. I might just have to do this. Let me just search up green. I might just search up green and just go to images, see what happens, see if that'll work. Alright, we got green. Now let's just go to it here. Okay. And then we'll make it smaller. And where is it? Right here. Okay. We'll go here and we'll make it very tiny to the point where you guys can't even see it. You can see it. You'll be able to see on my screen recorder. If you look here, I'm now green. Let's find something else. You can't really see me. I'm sorry. So sorry. I wish you could. I'm so sorry. Oh yes, okay. Black. We're gonna go with black. I cannot really say still. Black. See, you can see me. That's good. Good. And we are just gonna go like this to my camera. All worked out. Okay. Okay. As you can see, we're running fine now. Kipter. What you think we got, guys? What do you think play next time in the next video? Comment down below, and hopefully. And I'm surprised. I'm really craft. Oh, sorry. Oh. So I heard some sad news about Poppy and Rose. Apparently they broke up. I was pretty sad because they're like my favorite YouTubers, like one of them. So which was pretty devastated, but I got over it real quick. I was like, oh, okay, we might have to cut the video here because it's just extreme lag. So sorry about that, guys. I'll see you next time, and peace out.